Make a great choice today with
The 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.